I must say the weather's been quite interesting across South Africa the past few days, and looking at the synoptic analysis, it's looking more like a spring weather pattern rather than winter. But this cold front and a ridging eye behind it will make sure that we feel winter's definitely not over. But for now, there's a few systems at play, and to better understand this, let's look at our wind forecast in the atmosphere. We've got these reaching highs that's actually transporting moist and warm air from the Indian Ocean over South Africa, and then a beautiful upper level trough that's extending all the way from the tropics over our neighboring country and transporting moisture, as well as a surface trough working together to bring moisture over the central parts of the country that's responsible for the showers and thunderstorms that will continue the rest of the week. So here's the forecast. We've got that thick band of fog extending over our neighboring country's coast, Namibia, that's going to move over the west coast on Thursday, reach Cape Town as well, and parts of the Overberg on Thursday morning, with also foggy patches the morning there in parts of the Lowveld, especially over the bordering regions of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, as well as Mozambique. And then due to that upper level trough, surface trough, and ridging high working together, you can expect more isolated showers and thunderstorms from the afternoon over the central parts of South Africa, moving in an eastwards direction, and very isolated showers are yet again a possible, like Wednesday, over parts of Gauteng and surrounding regions. Only a slight chance of those showers bringing some light rain. Most of thunderstorms developing over the Northern Cape, and as mentioned, moving over northwest the Free State and the Eastern Cape, and a few light showers likely there along the southern coastline, with some drizzle possible with the fog over the coastal regions of South Africa. And then becoming windy over the interior ahead of isolated showers and thunderstorms expected to develop over parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest Free State and Eastern Cape, with also a fresh southerly wind picking up along the southern coastline. A foggy start to your Thursday morning for the West Coast, as well as Cape Town and parts of the Overberg. Later, we're expecting things to remain mainly cloudy, with an onshore flow expected ahead of the next cold front. It's quite chilly at times over the interior, with maximum temperatures only in the mid-teens, and then this westerly wind also picking up along the southern coastline, where we are expecting a few isolated showers. And then we can see on our rainfall map that we've got these blue dots that's coming through over parts of the Karoo. That's where we are expecting isolated showers or thunderstorms to later also move over parts of the Eastern Cape, but remaining dry along the coast as well as the adjacent interior, with maximum temperatures just below 25 degrees. In KwaZulu-Natal, we're expecting foggy patches over the northern regions as well as the northern coast, and then later a northeasterly wind picking up in Port Shepstone, with maximum temperatures about 20 degrees. In Mpumalanga, also foggy patches in places, especially in the Lowveld and the bordering regions of Mozambique, and the later temperatures raining below 20 over the Highveld, and also the wind picking up at times there. Then in Limpopo, lots of cloud and foggy conditions expected in the Lowveld, as well as a few foggy patches in Polokwane. It's much cooler, with maximum temperatures in some places not even reaching 20 degrees. In Northwest, we're expecting partly cloudy conditions, with yet again a few isolated thunderstorms and showers likely mainly over the western regions. Those showers and thunderstorms will start to move over the Northern Cape, the wind also picking up and then moving in a southeastwards direction. Isolated and patchy showers also likely in the Free State on Thursday, with some foggy patches at first in the east, where it's also quite chilly to cold temperatures only in the mid-teens. And then in Gauteng, similar as Wednesday, we're expecting partly cloudy skies, with a slight chance of a few queues building up and bringing a quick shower here and there. Moving ahead into Friday, we're expecting fog here along the west coast, and then isolated showers shifting a little bit more eastwards over northwest parts of Gauteng, the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. Looking ahead into the weekend, we're expecting an onshore flow to bring showers for the coast of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. A few more isolated storms likely to develop over Gauteng and Mpumalanga, and the wind and cold weather expected in Cape Town. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely day.